Let me show you how you can publish tweets directly from your WordPress website. This lets you stay consistent and build your following on Twitter without any hassle. Let's get started. To publish our tweets from WordPress, we'll use ClickSocial, an all-in-one tool that makes managing your social media account a breeze. And here we are now on our WordPress dashboard, and I've already got ClickSocial installed and set up ahead of time. If you want to learn how to set up and activate ClickSocial, you can click on the video tutorial in the top right corner of your screen. After that, inside ClickSocial, you'll see the ClickSocial dashboard like this. On the left-hand side, you can see that we already have our Instagram and Facebook accounts connected. To schedule our tweets on ClickSocial, we'll first have to connect our Twitter account. To do that, we can click on Add New. Then on the top right corner, we can click on Add Account. And on this pop-up, you can see all the social media platforms supported by ClickSocial. We have X or Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. For this video, we're going to click on Twitter. This will take us to Twitter, and if you're already logged in, you'll see your account here and a button down below that says Authorize App. Click on it, and straight away, your Twitter account will now be connected to ClickSocial, and we're good to go. Now on the left-hand side, we can click on Calendar under ClickSocial, and on the left-hand side, you'll now notice that we have our Twitter account connected along with our Facebook and Instagram accounts from before. If we click on our Twitter account, and here you can see the default time slots we have to post on inside ClickSocial. By default, we have 3 time slots per day, one at 12 a.m., 2 a.m., and 3 a.m. on our current time zone. To customize it, on the right-hand side, click on Edit Schedule. Inside this menu, you can see all the existing time slots that we just saw before. Monday through Friday, we had 3 time slots. If you want to modify it, you can open it up like this and edit the time slot to suit your exact needs. Alternatively, if you want to delete that time slot, just click on the bin icon and click Remove. Just like that, we can see that the 3 a.m. time slot for Monday has disappeared. Let's do the same thing for 2 a.m. as well. There we go. So we now have one posting time slot at 12 a.m. on Monday. To modify it, let's open it up and change that to 6 p.m. like so. And once you have a time slot you're happy with, click on the blue check mark, and that will save that time slot for Monday. Now let me fast forward and do it for the rest of the week too. And there we go. Monday through Friday, we're now posting once a day at 6 p.m. Underneath that, you can see that Saturday and Sunday are currently not active. To enable them, just click on the check mark here, and you can see now that Saturday has been activated. We can add a time slot too. Let's go ahead and add a 6 p.m. time slot. And now we have a time slot for Saturday too. Let me quickly fast forward and do the same thing for Sunday. Alright, now I've modified my posting schedule from 3 posts a day, Monday through Friday, to only 1 post a day every day of the week, Monday through Sunday. And if you're happy with your posting schedule, click on Save Changes on the bottom right corner. Alright, our posting schedule has now been updated to only show 1 posting time slot per day at 6 p.m. Now let's go and craft our first tweet. To compose a new tweet, click on the Add New button on the top right corner. This is where you can draft your new tweet. At the top, you can see the profile picture, account name, and handle, and underneath that, you can type in your tweet caption here. I've already got my tweet drafted, so I can paste it here like this. And next, we can decide if we want to add any media to this post. With ClickSocial, you can share photos, WordPress blog posts, and videos. But for this first one, let's do a text-only post. So we'll keep it as is, and underneath that, we can choose when we want to publish that post. By default, it's set to now, but if we open it up, you can see a calendar on the left-hand side, so you can choose the exact day you want to publish the post. For example, if we go with the 23rd, you can see all available time slots for that day. These are the ones that we customized earlier. So we have a 6 p.m. time slot, or you can edit a custom time by clicking on this button. Here you can specify the exact hour, minute, and time of the day. Alternatively, if you want to publish it right now, you can click on Now, and that will remain as Now. Finally, we have 2 options to choose from, whether we want to schedule that post or save it as a draft to publish later. For this demonstration, let's go and schedule this post. And straight away, that post has now been added to the top of our feed right here. The tweet that we just composed is scheduled to go live on Twitter right now. While it's being published, let's go and schedule another post. This one for tomorrow at 6 p.m. Right, so we can click on the plus icon for that time slot if we want to use that. And by doing so, you can see that the scheduled time is already filled in for us to match that time slot. So we're posting on the 22nd of April, 2025 at 6 p.m. Now all we have to do is write the caption for the post and add any media we want to. So for this one, I've got my caption ready, so I can type it in like this. And next we can add an image from our site. You can upload any image you want to share onto your media library and select it right here. As you can see, I've got a bunch of images already on my site, so I can select one like this. Let's go with this one and click Use this media file. And now that image has been added to our post, our caption is ready, so we can click on Preview on the top right corner to see what it looks like. And here's a quick preview of your tweet. You have your caption, image, when that post will be published, and your account details at the top. That looks good to me, so we can go back into Editor. You can make any changes if you'd like to. Then we can click on Schedule. And just like before, we have our second post now added to our schedule right here. This one will post tomorrow at 6 p.m. If you want to modify this post, just open it up like this, go to Editor, you can modify it the same way as when we created it. Okay, I'm going to keep it as is. I'm going to head back, and now we can go and see if that first post has been published on Twitter. And here we are now inside X, and you can see our latest post right here. This is the one that we just published inside ClickSocial and you can see that it's been published just under a minute ago. And just for demonstration purposes, let's go back into ClickSocial and publish the second post right away too. Just go into editor, open up the publishing time, and click on Now. After that, we can update the post. That post is now scheduled to publish right away. And you might notice that the post we published earlier has disappeared from this feed. That's because all published posts end up in the Publish tab. So if we open this up, you can see that post that we just published here. That's this one. Now let's go back into our Twitter account and see if that new post has been published too. Alright, back inside our Twitter account, we can see the new post that has just been published. This one features the image that we added into the post and the caption that we crafted inside ClickSocial. And that's how easy it is to tweet directly from your WordPress website. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments below. And if you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. Please consider subscribing to our channel for social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.